Hi dear, good morning. I'm jogging not so early today because I was busy. I wrote 2 articles in the morning, and you know that I usually wake up with the sun around 3:30 or between let's say 3:30 and 5 a.m. every morning. This is my daily routine to start every day with writing, and I'd like to get one more habit for my everyday jogging. This is an affirmation from Mariсы Pir. I learned it from her, and I'd like to reproduce this affirmation in my own way, and I suppose it will be really beneficial if you take this habit into your life. I'm enough, I'm great, I'm a kind person, I'm significant, I'm matter, I'm worthy, and I've chosen to go jogging every day, and I've chosen to feel great about everything I do. Thank you for your attention. Bye for now.